I'm going to show you something in next 10 minutes that will change how you think about money. But first, a question. How much money do you think an average Indian professionals will save by age 50? Very less or perhaps zero? Not because they have not earned. They have earned like 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs or maybe 1 crore over their career. But by age 50, they are still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because nobody teaches you this one thing. The thing I am about to reveal, and once you see this, you will understand why 87% of the Indians over 60 depend on their kids for money. By the end of this video, you will have the exact system that changes this. Stick around. Now let me paint a picture you recognize. It's 10 p.m. You are scrolling your phone. Another notification from your bank. Your bank account balance is low. You just got paid 3 days ago. You earned, let's say, 80,000 this month. Rent 25,000. Groceries 8,000. Phone bill, Netflix, another 10,000 gone in insurance, EMIs and subscription. And suddenly you are left with 2,000 for the rest of the month. You tell yourself next month it will be different. I'll get a bonus. I'll get a raise. But next month's come and you are back again to 2000. Now here is what kills me about this cycle. You are not broke because you don't earn enough. You are broke because nobody ever taught you the sequence. Everyone tells you save more, invest in mutual fund or buy real estate, but they never tell you in which order. It's like someone telling you to bake a cake without telling you to mix the ingredients first. You just make a mess. I spent 5 years figuring this out. I wasted lakhs doing things in wrong order. But once I cracked the sequence, everything changed. In next 7 minutes, I'll show you the exact sequence, the exact order, so that you never waste money like I did. First, we need to kill one myth. Everyone thinks the path to money looks like this. Earn, save, invest, get rich, and then freedom. But that's wrong. And that's why most people fail. The real path looks like this. Earn, secure, save, invest, compound, and then freedom. See the word secure? Most people skip this step entirely. The real fatal mistake they make. So what does secure mean? It means if tomorrow you lose your job, get into an accident or face a medical emergency, your world doesn't collapse. Right now 73% of the Indians have zero emergency fund. That means one accident and dead for life. So step 1 isn't even about investing. Step 1 is building a 6-month emergency fund. I know you are thinking, Prakash, I barely save 2,000 a month. How do I build a 6 months investment plan? And that's exactly a right question, which brings us to the system. Here is the exact system. Write it down. Step 1, the safety net of 1 to 6 months. Your goal is to, let's say, go for 1,50,000. That is 6 months into 25,000 monthly expenses. How? Not from saving, not from redirecting waste. Right now, the average Indian professional wastes 3 to 5,000 every month. Food delivery instead of cooking, which will give you 2,000. Subscription you don't use, that will give you 1,000. Stop impulsive buying online, that will save you 2,000. That's your 5,000 right there. For 6 months, I want you to be ruthless. Cut the waste. Put that 5,000 in the separate saving account. After 6 months, you will have 30,000 rupees. After 12 months, 60,000 rupees. And after 18 months, 90,000 rupees. You are almost there. By month 28, you will hit your 1,50,000. Now you can sleep at night. You are secure. Step 2, the debt killer. That is from month 28 to 36. Now that you are secure, we kill the high interest debt. Credit card 36%, personal loan 18%. Car EMI 10%. So here is the math that breaks people's brain. A 2 lakh credit card debt at 36% costs you 60,000 in interest alone. So if you are earning 80,000, paying 5,000 in the interest, you are really earning 75,000. For next 10 months, that is 28 month to 38 month, take that 5,000 you were saving and add another 5,000 from your income and hammer the high interest debt. Most credit card debt is gone in 8 to 12 months. You are now debt free. Step 3, the wealth builder. That is from month 38 onwards. Now and only now you do investment. At this point, you will have 1,50,000 as your safety net. Zero high interest debt. Clarity on your monthly surplus, probably 10,000. You will start with 5,000 per month into two things. 2,500 into an index fund, let's say Nifty 50, and 2,500 into EPF or NPS. By year 5, you will be saving 10,000 per month as your income grows. By 10 years, you will have 18 to 20 lakhs. and by 20 you will have probably 1 crore. And that's your key. You didn't sacrifice your life, you just fixed the sequence. Now let me show you this work with real numbers. Meet Aniket, a 20-year-old software engineer earning 75,000 per month. Now before, he was struggling, left with 2,000 each month, no emergency fund and a debt of 80,000 with credit card. He follows the sequence. Month 1 to 28, cut the waste and save 5,000 per month. Build 1.5 lakh emergency fund. Month 28 to 38, throws 10,000 per month at credit card debt. Debt is cleared in 10 months. Month 38 onwards, invest 5,000 rupees per month. By age 35, that is 7 years later, he has 22 lakhs plus 2 lakhs as an liquid emergency fund. That is 24 lakhs net. By age 40, he will have 55 lakhs, and by age 45, 1.2 crore. Now at 45 age, he can literally choose to work or not. His investment earn 1.2 lakh year in dividend alone. Same guy, same salary, different sequence. That's the entire difference. Now I know what you're thinking. Prakash, this sounds great, but I don't have 5,000 rupees to spare. I'm barely surviving. Fair point. But here is a brutal truth. If you can't find 5,000 in waste, you have a spending problem, not an income problem. And no amount of your salary increase will fix this spending problem. So yes, do this audit. Be ruthless. But if you genuinely can't cut 5,000, then start with 2,000 or 1,000. It doesn't matter. What matters is you start the sequence. At 1,000 per month, it will compound to almost 40 lakhs over the period of 20 years. Now the second objection, the market will crash. What if I lose everything? Good question. That's why step 1 is an emergency fund. That's your protection. If the market crash by 50,000, you will still have 1,50,000 in liquid. You don't panic sell, you wait. The market will recover in 1 or 2 years. You will be fine. With this emergency fund, you are not forced to panic sell, and that's where you win. So the sequence protects you against every fear. Now here is what happens next. So some of you will watch this, feel motivated and do nothing. You will think I'll start next month, but the next month you will be tired or something else will happen and it will be delayed again. That's the pattern keeps you broke. The other 10%, you will pause this video right now. You will open a spreadsheet. You will audit your spending. You will set up that emergency fund account today. Those 10% will be millionaires in next 15 years. So here is your decision point. Are you the 90% or the 10%? I am betting you are the 10%. If you are, do this. Pause this video. Say yes right now. Download the AI-based fire calculator I have linked in the description. Spend 30 minutes today identifying your 5,000 rupees waste. Start investing from tomorrow. Don't overthink. That's it. 3 steps, 1 hour of your life. If you do that, by this time next year, you will have 60,000 saved. You will feel different, lighter and more in control. And in next 5 years, you will look back and think, thank God I watched this video. So, are you that person? I hope so. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video where I break down exactly how to invest 1 lakh rupees. Your wealth journey starts today.